I went on YouTube and trying to figure out the most cost-effective way to clean up my headlights. So I have a pickup here, a Nissan Navara. This is the headlight right now. What it looks like, it's a bit yellow, opaque. You know, when I turn on the lights, it's very dim looking, dull. You know, the light doesn't really, it's a bit opaque. If you look at it at this angle even, it's not very clear. So I decided to buy this product. So this is Mother's mag and aluminium polish, which I saw them use on YouTube. Basically, all you do is take your drill, get a what do you call this again? A sponge bit. You put a little on it and you polish your headlight. So I just did that on this headlight on the left hand side. And as you see, within 3 minutes, it looks almost like a brand new headlight. Like I can't believe it. So this is the one I just did. Alright, see it there from different angles. You notice it's much more transparent. This is the other one that has not yet been done. You notice it's a little more opaque looking. So I'm going to do both of them and see. Big boom bam. Yeah.